This is as far as I got. This is as far as we got for cleaning the pistons. Doesn't really seem like it will come off anymore. Will come off. So yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Looks fine. Just gonna clean off the block again since I did leave it overnight. So I don't want it to be dirty still. And I did end up taking off the water neck housing. Let's see. Took off the thermostat housing here too. Gonna get a new seal because the old one that was here or on the water neck was pretty crusty and old. Here we got the ARP studs, got the assembly lubricant, the studs of course, and the bolts in here. And I'm just gonna start putting them in. Here's a 12, and then here's the set I bought from Harbor Freight. It's a 12 point, and this is a size 12. Take this, and wow, it fits perfectly. So yeah, I don't know if it goes for all the Harbor, I don't know if it goes for all the ARP studs, but it goes for the D16, so cool. And you just use the Allen key. I think this is a size 4. So this is the front of the engine. This is the back. Oil filters here. And even on the service manual, it shows the 2 dowel pins, one on this one. This is the, the pulley side. So one right here, one right here. I don't know if these go on the top also, like, up here. Also, the Allen, this goes up, and this side is, goes into the block. But yeah, I don't know if I use any for this when we put the head on. I'm not sure, but I don't know. We'll figure it out along the way. All right, I'm just gonna do this one last one, then I'll cut it here, and I'll pick back up when I'm done, because honestly this is same thing over and over. Just take one of these, drop it in, make sure it's seated in there. Also, you might be asking, why am I putting ARP studs? Because we're gonna go turbo in the near future. It's something to look forward to. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, I got all of the studs on. They're all hand tight. Dowel pin here, dowel pin there, like I said. Exhaust side, it's the front of the engine, the back. And we're gonna put the head on. No, head gasket first, and then we're gonna put the head on. And we'll see where we go from there. Not too sure, but yeah, we'll see. All right, I have a head gasket from Evergreen. It's like a kit. It came with all these other gaskets and stuff, but we'll use these when we get to them. It came in a bundle with the water pump, and I ordered the oil pump from them, like on the side as well. But the oil pump came with the bundle, and so did the head gasket. But we're gonna put this on. This is not, I am not a professional by any means, nor will I ever claim to be a mechanic. I think I do this out of, I don't know, fun and just learning experience. I believe it only goes on one way. This hole is bigger than this hole. So obviously this is for the dowel pins, right? So I'm gonna lay this, boom, and boom. There we go. It won't fit the other way because the other holes will be too small for the dowel pins. And let me go grab the head. And I gotta go look up the torque specs. The torque specs for these bolts. Be back. Alright, I have the head here now. I'm gonna clean this all up before I put it on. And then I'm gonna torque those bolts. Honestly, I wanna clean it up and I'm not too entirely sure how to clean this, I guess. Or I meant all these carbon spots, or if it's really okay to. I know it was okay to clean the block and stuff like that, but as far as the inside of this part goes, I'm not too positive, but I wouldn't want to risk it. Maybe I'll just clean where the gasket outline is, so it has a good mating surface. So I'll just clean all these dark outside spots, but as far as inside here, probably won't touch. So hopefully that's not a crack and that's just carbon. Uh-oh. Might be a little micro crack. This was the cylinder where the spark plug was seized and so hard to take out. So I don't know. The only reason why I'm not taking off these valves is because honestly this engine was just supposed to be a quick refresh and just throw it in and get it driving. And then when it's time to go turbo, I would get this all decked and surfaced, get the valves lapped, maybe but even buy new valves and just refresh it fully. But right now it's just a kind of basic refresh, so I guess I don't know, I'll take the risk and hopefully it lasts until the turbo build. Alright, I finally got the head on. Honestly, that took a little while because I was cleaning the underside where the head meets the block, and then I was cleaning this backside, which was really dirty. I have loosened this. We're gonna eventually change this out and change this out. The threads on here or whatever to grab is kind of stripped. I want to make sure to change this because I don't want to run into issues with that. This maybe you can stay. Have this in the cup of water. The other one, the other side, we took out already. I believe it was over here on this side, but took out. Yeah, mostly it was just cleaning. Took off the cam gear right there, and the cover was the underside cover, and probably gonna clean that some more. I think I have some things to go in here, like the valve, something with the valves, but I'll have to double check. I gotta throw the bolts on and torque them. I gotta look up the torque specs really quick. And I have some cam seals, that new ones to throw on, so I'm gonna take this all off at the top. I believe there's, well, nope, I don't know. But gonna get started on that. And this small one will not click at 15 pounds. And so, thank God he let me borrow two of them. This is a 1/2-inch one. The other one was a 3/8. And I was able to torque it all. So that one was pretty sketch, but they're all good to go. And I have some more gaskets that I can put on, I believe, but I gotta figure out what goes where. I'm pretty sure there's one that goes here, so for sure I need to take this off. But I don't know how far this set really goes. I'm gonna have to dive a little bit more deeper. Alright, next I'm gonna take off this camshaft seal, and reading online it looks like you take these two off, and all of these ones at the top, and then this one in the back, so this assembly can come off, and then the cam itself should be able to come out, but I'm not gonna pull it out because I don't want to lose timing, so we'll forget where timing is. I'm just gonna leave it like how it is. I'm kind of confused on if I need to loosen these or not, but I'm kind of afraid, but shit, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I got the whatever these all are, camshaft rockers or whatever, got them off. You just loosen these bolts, 4 10s, 4 10s, so 2 here, 2 there, and all of these are 12, so 2 4 6 8 10, and then you don't touch any of these, you just do these top bolts. This one you leave alone, and you just leave it like that. Now I'm gonna take off the seal. This one had like some pretty bad leakage, I don't know, we can tell. I mean, it was not too chewed up, but
I eventually got the camshaft seal on, and this is how the engine sits currently. I believe this is where I also left off. So thank you for watching the video, and please look forward to the next one.